This is the new shootout. We are on it. They are mixing, remaining to cut that down beam. There is beam for down. Where is Simon? There. And here everything is finished. Everything here is finished. Finished. All finished. Remain that three shoot out. Everything is completed here. You can see it. You can see all. Okay. And this is the place here. They are completing everything. They don't reach the end here where the stone pitching is here. You see it? Stone pitching, that's the end of the place. They don't finish. Remain small here. Remain just for the upper side to complete here. Okay, that's the guy. Okay. Okay. That's all. And the canopy, the guy, I go there. This canopy guy, I call him. He's not there. The workers there, they call him. They said tomorrow he will finish it. So that's the work we are doing. Don't finish. Okay.